This is the rapid response overheat alarm from Anchor Marine Securities. Built in Britain, and the beauty of it is, unlike ordinary temperature sensors, this is fully adjustable. Instead of your engine reaching, say, 100 degrees before you know you've got a problem, this will tell you within a few degrees, which you can set, and that sets it apart from everything else on the market. So what's in the kit? Well, central to the whole system is this control panel, and it's actually quite nicely made. In the middle, you've got this temperature set dial, which is actually quite stiff to turn. That's intentional because you don't want the vibrations from the engine actually moving the setting. Underneath, you have the alarm. There, you have the sensor with its 1.3 metre reach of stainless steel tubing. Off the side here is the power cable, about a metre there, and quite thoughtfully, look, the ends have been tinned. Nice touches as well. Nylock nuts used to hold the whole thing together, again, so they won't vibrate loose. And this jack underneath allows you to connect to the long range sensor, which can be mounted up by the dashboard. Over here, again, very thoughtfully, lots of fixtures and fittings, so you can actually put the whole thing together. And finally, a set of instructions, clearly shown with pictures, so you know how to make the whole thing work exactly as it should. Inventor Colin Cox hand builds each unit in his home workshop, with great attention to functionality and ease of fitting.
The installation is very simple. Connect it through the boat supply via a 3-amp fuse, which then goes to the alarm box itself. The 1.5 metre long stainless steel sensor merely goes on top of the exhaust hose with this double-sided Velcro security in position, and you are set effectively. You run the engine up until the alarm goes off, and then turn it 3 or 4 degrees past that, and the system is up and running. Obviously you've got to set it up when the engine's going at full speed, so at its maximum temperature, and then set it just 3 or 4 degrees past that maximum temperature, and you're protected.
Now, following on from the success of the mechanical version, Anchor Marine Security produced a digital version. And the beauty of this system is it has a very small but very sensitive probe on the end of a cable that can be up to 35 feet long. Now, this means you can attach it to other bits of kit on the boat that could get hot. And in this particular setup on the sea line, we have 2 instruments here that are on the inlet, the intake Jabsco pumps, which of course is the first thing that gets hot if you get a blockage, and gives you a huge amount of early warning of a potential problem. And just to prove how sensitive the probe is,
so I have to take the sensor out to try. Imagine that's an engine overheat. And the alarm goes literally 2 degrees.